Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on this Karity Highlight Palette. In this video, I give you my thoughts on the palette, and I also show you guys how to get a blinding highlight like this. So if you guys want to see the review, then keep watching. Before I get into the video, I just have two things that I want to say. First is I am going to be uploading a ton of reviews, so what I'm going to try my best to do is upload kind of like every other. So I'm going to do review and then maybe like a hair or makeup video, something like that, and then review, because I have a lot of reviews coming. I have some reviews of things sent to me that were sent to me. Those are going to be the first reviews out, so just a warning. And then the other reviews that I have were things that I purchased myself. So I just want to let you guys know that there's going to be a lot of reviews coming, but don't worry, I'm still going to have makeup related and hair related tutorials as well. I just want to let you guys know that because I still have to stick to my once a week schedule. Yeah. And two, Karity did send me this highlighting palette for free, and I'm so happy and thankful that they sent it to me. It is amazing, and I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. Before I get into the review though, I just want to talk about how this arrived when it was on my front step on Saturday when I got this. I was really happy when I actually opened the box to see that there was a ton of tissue paper and this baby was wrapped in bubble wrap. Like, it was wrapped really nicely. So that just made me happy to know that it arrived to my house safely and it wasn't damaged, which I feel like a lot of places, Sephora and Ulta, don't care about that, and they just lay like the thinnest piece of bubble wrap on top of the makeup, and it's like, is it gonna come in a million pieces or is it gonna come in one whole piece? You never know. So that made me really happy to know that this came and arrived safely. I think that's something important to talk about because that just makes the brand look good, and it shows that the brand cares about the people buying from their company. I don't know. I feel like that's important. So now on to the review. If I look down at all, it's because I have a notebook here with just little notes and things that I want to talk about, and so I don't ramble. This is what the packaging looks like right here. It says highlight, then down here it says Karity. I really like the packaging. It kind of reminds me of like Kate Spade because it's just black and white. It's nice and simple with the gold. Underneath the word highlight here, it says 4 highly accented powder highlights first collection. So there are 2 collections. This is the first one. The second collection is more gold. The one that I have is more pinky tones. Then on the back here, you just have Karity's hashtag, and they also have their social medias. And then you have the shades, a little description, and then the ingredients down here. And just letting you know, it is cruelty free and this is recyclable. So then you just open this little guy up, and it's actually not that little. I was really surprised by the size. I can't get it out. Why can't I get it out? Okay, so the actual packaging of the palette itself matches the box, which I really like as well. I don't know why. Again, I just really like the simple packaging. It opens down here at the bottom below the word Karity, and at the same as the back, it has the shades, description, their social medias, and all that stuff. So when you open this up, this is what these shades look like. So pretty. So pretty. So this little guy is $25, and you get these 4 gorgeous shades. Now, $25, I feel like to me sounds a little bit pricey for a highlight palette, but when you think of like the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones, those are what, like $40, $50, but you're also getting more shades, and I feel like these pans are bigger than those. So I did actually compare this to the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. They're about the same size-ish, like this was the closest one, and this alone is $10.99, but all 4 of these is $6.25, like individually it's $6.25 a piece, I guess you would say. So then altogether it's $25. So honestly, I feel like this obviously will be your better choice because you're getting more for a better price. So like I said, this is cruelty free, and every time you purchase this, it actually helps an animal in need, which I think is really cool that you're helping out something. So that's another thing to think about when you do purchase. The benefits from this is that they are ultra pigmented, long lasting, finely milled, blendable, and there is minimal fallout. Honestly, I have not noticed any fallout when I use these. They're super blendable and easy to apply. I'm not wearing any now because I want to show you guys how they apply, and I just want to show you like my favorite little combo in the palette. And they are definitely long lasting and super pigmented. So I'm just going to swatch them for you guys, and I'm just gonna go in like this to show you guys. And of course I messed that up. Shocker, I always do that. So first we have here is Desire, which Desire is more of like a rosy pink shade. I wish it would pick up. Okay, a rosy pinky shade. Then next is Risque, which is more of like a champagne-y color. Then we have Ravish, which is like a really pretty baby pink, which I actually really like. And then Lacy, which is like a nice, it's a little darker than Ravish, but still in that like baby pink family, if that makes any sense. So they are really creamy and smooth and buttery, and they just apply amazingly to the skin, and they just swatch so nicely. I love how they swatch. I think they're so pretty. They're not over glittery, and I think they give you that just nice glow from within look. I'm loving this palette. It's so good, and I'm not saying that because I got it for free. You guys know I tell you when something's good and when something's bad, but this I've been absolutely loving. So next I'm just gonna show you guys how I would apply my highlights. So I've talked about this in a couple videos before, but if you've never seen those videos, I'm gonna show you now. So first I'm going to spray my face with some Mario Badescu facial spray. This is pretty much just all water now. It's all the same. It's pretty much all the same. So I'm just going to shake it up because it still smells like the roses. And I'm just going to spray my face. And I just fan my face and let it sink into my skin. So next I'm going to be taking this Morphe M510 brush. I've really been liking this for highlight. And my favorite combo has been a little bit of Risque, Ravish, and Lacy. And I just apply that all over my face pretty much. So my cheekbone, I mean, hi, so pretty. And I also bring it up a little bit by my temple. I really like mixing the highlights together. They all look really pretty on their own, but when you mix them together, it gives it more of an intense highlight look. And I just love how that looks, especially in the summer. So next I'm just gonna apply to my forehead, and then my cupid's bow, my chin, and then my nose. I've actually been liking to kind of just take my finger and go down the bridge a little bit. And then I'll take the brush and do, what's that, the ball, the tip, whatever, of my nose. And then for my brow bone, I like to go in with this smudger brush from Coastal Scents because it just fits in the brow bone so perfectly. And then just go over like that. So then I just like to spray my face one more time. I'm spraying a lot today because it's so hot and humid, and just fan it into the skin. And then I'm taking a damp sponge. This is the one from L'Oreal. And I just press it over the highlight because it really helps melt it into the skin. And I just love the look that it gives. And that's how I get my highlight. So, would I recommend this palette? And the answer is yes. Yes, I would. I think the highlight is blinding. I think $25 for 4 highlights that are pretty big is a really great price, considering, like I said, this Physicians Formula one is $10, almost $11 alone. So this one is definitely worth the money. Like I said, the highlight is just gorgeous. The shades are beautiful. They're so pigmented, so silky smooth, and just there's no fallout. Like, all the benefits, they are 100% true. So if you guys want to check out this palette, I do have a referral link down below, and it will help you guys save $5 off your Karity order. So go click that link down below. I'll also have a link to the palette, but if you do make a purchase, please use my link. If you guys have any questions about this palette or anything, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer as best as I can. If there's something that I didn't talk about that you wanted to know, ask in the comments and I will answer. Thank you so much, Karity, for sending me this highlight palette. I really, really do love it, you guys. Like I said, if I didn't like something, I would 110% tell you. I would never lie, because you guys know there's been some reviews of mine that are pretty negative, because I like to be honest. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That is always linked down below in the description box. Follow me on Instagram. I feel like not a lot of you guys follow me on Instagram, so follow me there. It's at Kristen Del Percio. Like I said, the link's down below. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see from me next, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. Or also, if you have a comment about, or a question about anything about the product, please let me know in the comments down below. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!